serial or films, she's absolutely phenomenal wherever she goes to act. Shayoni, so lovely to have you here at India Web Fest 2019 Season 2. How does it feel to be here?
It feels good because you pronounce my name correctly. So thank you for that. And it's good because even last year they sort of reached out to me. I couldn't make it unfortunately, but it's amazing because you know that you have panel discussions which I'm part of today, and like a discourse about how this is sort of happening. And obviously there's a digital revolution. It's like a digital explosion, and everyone's making content, right? But I guess sometimes people who are behind the scene, people who are financing and producing and creating and making and featuring in them, it's nice to sort of have a discussion about how's it going, what are we doing right, what are we doing wrong, those kind of things. So I think it's quite an interesting forum.
Where do you see this digital boom going in the next 3 to 5 years from now?
To be honest, I think it'll keep growing for the next 1.5 years and then come down.
Do you also envisage a future where perhaps digital will overtake TV and films completely and people will only be fixated to their phones to watch content?
Yeah, but I'm very old school. I'd like to believe that film will always be there, and going to the theater to watch a film and the 70mm will always be there. I think it will, but of course, I mean, will it get bigger? Yes, but will it? Right now everyone's like, in India especially, I feel we're all moving also in a way like headless chicken. Everyone's like trying to just generate content, but I think at some point we also need to sort of take it easy and just figure that what are we sort of here for? Are we just here for just making content, or are we here to make good content? And I think that that quality check needs to happen. And because unfortunately not a lot of content is amazing. It's none of it probably is as per international standards at all. We're far behind. I mean, the first thing that Amazon produced for India was Inside Edge, and it was amazing that we got nominated for the Emmy Awards, which is a huge step for even like Indian content. But I don't think we were really that far, I'm being honest. Because, you see, I mean, it's amazing with what we do with what we have. And obviously the monies are a problem, and, everyone's sort of cost cutting and, cutting the edges and all of that. So I understand that there is a lot of restrictions and restraints. But having said that, I think the amount of content that is being made and the quality of content that is being made is not directly proportional. We are getting better every day, but unless and until we really concentrate on making like really good stuff, it's going to die out.
Appreciate your honesty, Shayoni. We'll no, not really. Very quickly, we'll play a rapid fire. Okay. This is called What's on Your Phone. Okay. Okay, alright. The first one is the last message you sent.
The last message I sent was to my manager, saying how long will they make me wait here?
I'm not making you wait for too long. Okay. The last person you called?
My manager.
Okay, alright. Who calls you at 3 a.m.?
A lot of people. None of my friends sleep.
And is there one person who doesn't pick your call at the very first try?
Dipali Devkar, she's standing right there. My hairstylist, she never picks up her phone, and she has the worst ringtone.
She has the worst ringtone. Okay, I'm gonna find what that one is. The most used filter on Instagram.
For me, Jaipur is my favorite story filter. And it used to be Amara or like for feed, but now maybe I don't use filters anymore for feed.
Okay, no filters. Okay, alright. The last selfie you clicked was?
Right now with someone here.
Okay, alright. Choose your pick, Instagram or Snapchat.
I have never been on Snapchat, will never be.
Okay.
I've never understood, I've never downloaded it. But Instagram I quite enjoy.
Okay. Million views or trending videos?
Either.
Okay. Security following or fan following?
Security.
Bodyguards, Aju Baju mein.
No, fan following of
Fan
course.
following definitely.
I do not like bodyguards. I don't need one. I'm enough for myself to guard myself.
Yeah, that's the spirit. Last one, GoPro or camera phone?
Camera phone, because obviously it's just easily accessible, but I quite like GoPro for their wide angles. But now you have these lenses that you can attach to your cameras.
Okay. Very tech savvy. Thank you so very much, ma'am, and have a great time.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.